Question number 11. Let's comprehend what is given. A and B be positive real numbers. Suppose PQ vector and PS vector. PQ vector is AI cap plus BJ cap. PS vector is AI cap minus BJ cap are adjacent sides of a parallelogram PQRS. Okay. Let U vector and V vector be the projection vectors of W vector along PQ vector and PS vector respectively. Means W vector is given I cap plus J cap. U vector is projection vector of W vector along PQ vector, and V vector is projection vector of W vector along PS vector. If magnitude of vector U plus magnitude of vector V is equal to magnitude of vector W, it is given, and if the area of the parallelogram is 8, so area of parallelogram is given, then what is asked? Two statement, one or more than option correct. In option A and B, some relation between A and B, A plus B we have to check and A minus B we have to check. In option C, the length of the diagonal PR of the parallelogram PQRS is 4 or not. And in option D, this given W vector is an angle bisector of vectors PQ and PS or not. Let's analyze. I recall magnitude of vector if vector is given in orthogonal system of unit vectors I cap, J cap, K cap is this basic NCERT result. Now I recognize PQ vector magnitude, which is the length of the side PQ, is this, and PS is this. They are equal. So parallelogram PQRS is rhombus. If all four sides are equal, then parallelogram is a rhombus. Now PQ vector and PS vector are adjacent sides of parallelogram PQRS. Now I recognize here this is AI cap, BJ cap, AI cap minus BJ cap. So I can take the parallelogram as like this. This is AI cap, BJ cap. So this will be AI cap plus BJ cap. AI cap, this is minus BJ cap. So this will be AI cap minus BJ cap, PQ vector and PS vector. In this direction, I cap unit vector. In this cap direction, J cap unit vector. So that's a picture. Now, PC vector is I cap plus J cap and PC vector, which is C. This I have taken from point P, PC vector here. I cap plus J cap. So this angle is pi by 4 and this magnitude is root 2. Now the projection vector of W along this, so projection vector is, we draw the perpendicular from here, and this PA vector is U vector. Similarly, this PB vector is V vector. Now let's take this angle is theta, so this angle is also theta, and angle CPR is pi by 4. Now PA vector का magnitude of U vector is PC cos of angle CPQ. This angle is pi by 4, theta minus pi by 4. This is theta, so theta minus pi by 4. So root 2 length of PC cos of theta minus pi by 4. Similarly, if I look here, PB, which is the magnitude of the vector V, is PC cos angle CPS, which is root 2 cos theta plus pi by 4. Theta here and pi by 4 here. So we have recognized all these values and now we execute. Let's calculate. So this is given U vector plus V vector, magnitude of vector U plus magnitude of vector V is equal to magnitude of vector W. We put the values here, we just got cos C plus cos D, formula for that, basic NCERT results. We got this, cos theta is equal to 1 by root 2. So theta is pi by 4, and from the picture it is clear that this theta is acute angle. So theta equal to pi by 4. As diagonals of rhombus are angle bisectors, so this angle, they are equal, and this is pi by 4, this is pi by 4, so this angle is pi by 2. Sides of rhombus PQRS are perpendicular to each other, so PQRS is a square. From figure, square है तो A will be equal to B, this length A and this length B. So area of parallel square PQRS is root 2A times root 2A whole square. This is A, so side length is root 2A. That is given equal to 8, which gives us the value of A equal to 2. A equal to 2, B equal to 2. So let's look at the options given. A plus B equal to 4, correct. A minus B equal to 2, incorrect. Option C, the length of the diagonal PR, which is 2 times A, 4, correct. Option D, this is the angle bisector. No, angle, this W vector is somewhere here, no? At angle pi by 4. And this is pi by 4, so actually W vector is here, parallel to PQ vector. So W vector is not angle bisector. Angle bisector is along I cap. So option D, incorrect. Simple, basic approach, simple results, simple calculations. I got my answers. It is options A and C. No trick, no complication, no mystery. This is my approach. Straight, simple approach, SS approach. No trick, no complication, no mystery. My name is Shishir Sani. I'm graduate of IIT Roorkee, class of 96. IIT JEE coach since 99. Thank you.